Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I am your SST teacher Afshin. Today in this lecture I am discussing the structure of United Nations. As you know, in the previous lecture I have discussed the introduction of United Nations, that how and why it was formed. The structure of United Nations are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Secretariat, the Economic and Social Council, the International Court of Justice. Now move to the General Assembly. General Assembly, under which all the members and Secretary General meet and solve the issues. Now Security Council. For the establishment of space-keeping operation or the establishment of international sanction or the authorization of military action through Security Council. 5 permanent members are China, France, UK, US and Russia. Now the next one is the Secretariat, which is the executive arm of the United Nations. It implements discussions which are taken by the General Assembly or the Security Council and the Economic and Social Council. So these are being implemented by the Secretariat. Now the next one is the Economic and Social Council. It is promoted the international economical social cooperation and development. It is one of the principal organ of the United Nations. It is responsible for promoting the economic and social related work for the agencies and their function of commission in 5 regions. It had 5 members and its session is held on 18 July since 1998. It also held a meeting in each April with the finance minister. Now move to the International Court of Justice, which settles the legal disputes submitted to it by the states and provides the advisory opinion on legal questions which are submitted to it by authorized international branches or could be the agencies or UN General Assembly. Now it's time for the home task. Your task is how many countries of the world are the permanent members of Security Council, and then send me on the address given below, which is afshin@chandbaghdg.edu.pk.